Okay, and today's how-to of the day, we have a Holden Commodore VZ that has a door handle issue. So if your door handle looks like that, but it should look like that, then you should watch this video. Okay, what we're going to need is we're going to need something to get this little cap off. And I have this pin, so just stick it in there, pop it out, just like that. Behind that is a Phillips head screw. We're going to undo that. That's what it is. And then this should just pop out. And if we had there it is. So that is broken. Now that's plastic, and if you have more muscle than brain, pretty easy to break. So for people with more muscle than brain, Holden has come up with a solution. And the solution is, they don't give you a plastic one, they give you a metal one. So that you can't break it as easy, and it looks like that. Nice shiny one. All right, let's see if we can sort that out. Should be just like that. Test it. Sounds good. Get our little screw that we lost before. Put it there. Get our cordless. Do it up. There we go, just like that. Okay, that's all for today's how-to of the day. If you liked what you saw, thanks Dexy, and look who's here. Puppy Dexy is here to help. Dexy, sit. Dexy, sit. Sit. You want to say something? Huh? You want to talk? All right, all right. Is that enough? All right, go away. Go away. Good boy. That'll be all for today's how-to of the day. If you like the video, please like and subscribe if you can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.